Mia was having an ordinary morning, munching her cereal, when she heard a mysterious knock at the front door. Curious, she bounced over and opened it, only to discover a large crate. To her amazement, inside were not books or boring school supplies, but an assortment of wild zoo animals. Jamal was the first person Mia thought to call. Her best friend was an animal aficionado, always wearing his trusty safari hat and constantly armed with thrilling animal facts. With boundless excitement, Jamal raced over. Together, they started identifying the unexpected guests. In Mia's backyard, Ellie's curious eyes widened at the sight of a fluffy baby tiger prancing about. Poor Ellie was the jumpiest neighbor. Her scream was so loud one could hear it echo across the entire street. Mr. Peppers, the grumpy mailman, shambled up the path with his usual briskness, only to find himself drawn into the commotion. Instead of delivering new books for the library, he mistakenly delivered a crate full of zoo animals. "Oh dear, what a muddle," he mumbled grumpily, but with a soft heart, he joined in efforts to make things right. In the laundry room, Leo, the sleepy lion, had claimed a basket of towels as his throne. Every time someone opened the door, he greeted them with an adoring, soft roar. Tilly the toucan ruled the television, squawking indignantly whenever the channel was changed. Ziggy, the zebra, refused to budge from the bathtub. He fancied himself in the middle of a spa ritual, frolicking in a sea of bubbles. Ella the elephant was transforming the backyard into an adventurous jungle, spraying water everywhere with his trunk. Inside the kitchen, chaos erupted with three naughty monkeys who had managed to open the fridge. With bananas and ketchup in hand, they initiated a food fight worthy of epic status. Jamal pulling out his trusty safari notebook, filled with doodles and ideas. He scribbled furiously, drafting a zoo return plan, just as he added the finishing touches. Leo the lion let out a snore so loud that the paper fluttered across the room like a runaway kite. Jamal chuckled, realizing they'd have their paws full. Meanwhile, Tilly the toucan was not ready to leave without putting on her grand squawk show. Mia, ever so creative, decided to organize a pretend talk show. With bright feathers fluttering, Tilly hosted one last episode of Jungle Gossip, pecking away with charm. Ziggy the zebra was no less dramatic. He insisted on his favorite rubber ducky from the bathtub spa before stepping hoof outside. Mia and Jamal giggled as they watched him pack it lovingly in his suitcase. Across the room, chaos unfolded with the three mischievous monkeys who declared a banana battle was necessary. Armed with raincoats, Mia and Jamal transformed the madness into a clean-up game, chucking bananas into the crates while giggling away. Ella the elephant had joyously turned the backyard into a mud park, loving every splash of muck. With trumpets blazing, Mia and Jamal orchestrated a going-away water parade, zigzagging with laughter to encourage Ella towards the crate. Leo was steadfast in his refusal to move from his towel throne. It wasn't until Mr. Peppers gently coaxed him with a warm blanket and promises of fresh laundry at the zoo that Leo grunted in agreement. Tilly seemed set on making a remote her perch, rapidly changing TV channels like a seasoned pro. But Jamal was prepared with Tilly's favorite tropical ringtone. She followed the melody mid-dance back to her crate. Ziggy was determined to block the entire bathroom door, playful and silly as ever. Ellie, savvy to his desires, arrived with a bouquet of fresh mint. Ziggy's nostrils twitched, and with the sweet spa scent stowed away, he trotted unhappily. Those cheeky monkeys were at it again, using ketchup confetti in the kitchen. They created one last mess. Mia, with a twinkle in her eye, distracted them with a trail of banana slices that led them, quite content, into their box. Quietly approaching, Ellie peeked over the fence, holding a handmade Goodbye Zoo Friend sign. To everyone's surprise, the animals grouped around it, silently acknowledging Ellie's gesture.